The Doctor's Journal, brought to you by Cetaphil, the Air Institute, St. Augustine Surgical Center, The Best Toys, and Jameson.
Tonight on the Doctor's Journal, we unravel the complexities of a topic that is rarely discussed but important to know.
BPH, benign prostatic hyperplasia. Welcome to this episode of the Doctor's Journal. Hi, I'm Dr. Sunarine.
And I'm Dr. Mike.
In today's episode, we're exploring benign prostatic hyperplasia, commonly known as BPH. Let's kick off by understanding what BPH is all about. Benign prostatic hyperplasia is a common condition in aging men characterized by a non-cancerous enlargement of the prostate gland.
As the prostate grows, it may press against the urethra, leading to various urinary symptoms such as frequent urination, difficulty starting or maintaining a stream, and a feeling of incomplete emptying.
While not a precursor to prostate cancer, BPH can impact quality of life. Treatment options range from medication to surgery, depending on the severity of symptoms. Regular checkups and early intervention are crucial to effective management.
BPH is a common condition, especially in aging men. According to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, more than half of men in their 60s and up to 90% of men in their 70s and 80s have symptoms of BPH.
A lot. While it is prevalent, not all men with enlarged prostate experience noticeable symptoms. But what are the causes of BPH?
Well, the exact cause of BPH is not fully understood, but several factors are believed to contribute to its development, which include age. BPH is associated with aging, and the risk increases with advancing age.
Hormonal changes can also be a factor in BPH. Changes in hormonal levels, particularly in an increase in dihydrotestosterone or DHT, a byproduct of testosterone, are thought to play a role in prostate enlargement.
Family history is another factor. Men with a family history of BPH may be at high risk. While testosterone is necessary for prostate growth, an imbalance between testosterone and estrogen levels may contribute to BPH.
Obesity, a lack of physical activity, and certain dietary factors have been suggested as a potential contributor for BPH.
Understanding these aspects is crucial for early detection and effective management of BPH. After the break, we tell you what signs and symptoms to look for in determining a BPH diagnosis.
Hello viewers, I'm Monella Selena, a registered dietitian and a nutritionist for Jameson, your trusted natural health supplements brand for over a century. Thank you for joining us again. Today, let's dive into men's health, specifically addressing prostate health. Take, for example, BPH, a common condition among men over 50. It's essential to understand how diet and nutrition impact prostate health. Incorporating foods rich in nutrients like zinc is vital for proper functioning of the immune system and can help to reduce the size of the prostate gland. Also, one herb that has gained attention is saw palmetto. It contains a compound that may help to reduce inflammation and support overall prostate function. Traditionally, it has been used to support urinary tract health and may help to reduce the symptoms associated with BPH. Remember, proactive management is essential. Staying informed and taking charge of your health, and please feel free to join us on the Ask the Expert program for more guidance.
Now that we have the basics, let's explore the signs and symptoms you need to be aware of. BPH can manifest with various urinary symptoms, which may include the need to urinate more often, especially during the night, called nocturia.
Urgency, the sudden compelling need to urinate, a weak urine stream, a decrease in the force and caliber of the urine stream.
Another symptom of BPH is difficulty in initiating and maintaining a urine stream. The feeling that the bladder is not completely empty after urination.
Dribbling, and we're not talking about basketball, but dribbling at the end of urination is also a common sign. And also the difficulty starting urination or complete inability to empty the bladder is a marked sign.
While these factors are associated with increased risk of developing BPH, it is essential to note that they do not guarantee the development of the condition. BPH is a complex and multifactorial condition, and individuals' experience may vary.
Moving on to treatment options. We have a concise overview of the available strategies. From medications to lifestyle changes, our experts will guide you through the options.
The treatment approach for BPH depends on the severity of symptoms, the impact on the individual's quality of life, and the presence of complications.
In cases where symptoms are mild and not significantly impacting daily life, a healthcare provider may recommend a watchful waiting approach. Regular monitoring without immediate intervention may be appropriate.
Limiting the intake of fluids, especially in the evening, can help reduce the frequency of urination. Techniques to improve bladder control and reduce the urgency may be recommended.
Limiting caffeine and alcohol intake, which can irritate the bladder, may be beneficial. Medications like tamsulosin or alfuzosin relax the muscles in the prostate and bladder neck, making it easier to urinate.
Medications like finasteride can shrink the prostate gland by blocking the hormones that cause its growth.
There are also some minimally invasive procedures that can help this ailment. Surgical interventions are also used to treat BPH. A common surgical procedure called the transurethral resection of the prostate can be done. This is where excess prostate tissue is removed using a scope inserted through the penis.
In more severe cases, particularly with very large prostates, an open surgical procedure called an open prostatectomy may be necessary to remove excess tissue. The choice of treatment depends on factors such as the size of the prostate, severity of symptoms, overall health, and the individual's preferences. It's time for another short break.
At Athena Clinic, we're committed to helping you boost your confidence and live your best life. Enhance your appearance with a non-surgical procedure or optimize your health with one of our expert doctor consultations and diet and fitness plan. Call today at 282-2262.
Sneezing, sniffling, scratching? Reacted to your favorite food? Think it might be allergies? We at Allergenics provide personalized diagnosis and treatment for food, drug, contact, and aero allergens. Call us today at 480-4362.
All right, so let me represent for your booth now, caring for you and yours. This is what the Care Safety Solution. Let's talk a little bit about your booth, your name, and what you're offering this afternoon.
Okay, so Care Safety Solutions Limited. I am Asha Mangal. I am the Managing Director. We provide in-home geriatric care. So we have caregivers that will come home to care for your loved one, not just elderlies, but sometimes you may be going for a surgery. So you need short-term care, or you may damage yourself being athletic and you just need that coverage. So we provide that type of service.
I am Dr. Nalini Rampasad. We're doing some free dental screenings here. We are Holistic Healing Dentistry Limited. We're located at KBS Plaza in St. Helena. We're giving away some products with these screenings, and at the office we do more in-depth exams, x-rays, we do cleanings, fillings, So when you come, we do a treatment plan and we're able to know how we're moving forward from there.
We're from Maritime Financial Group. We are representing the Chaguanas branch, Central Regional Center. We are here today promoting our AdMed and critical illness coverage. One of the benefits of our AdMed, which is our major medical, there's a death benefit, critical illness coverage, also has hospital diagnostics and accident and emergency benefits as well. Best parts of this on the surgical benefits, even if you do your surgery at say Mount of San Fernando and it's being done for free, once it's a surgical incision, you are paid for your surgeries.
Cetaphil is for eczema, it's an itch relief gel.
When you say itch relief, so if a mosquito bite me,
You could just apply it. So it's a cooling effect, and you just applying it to your skin.
so that's an instant relief you just get, or you gotta wait a few minutes?
No, you don't have to. It's a cooling effect.
So the mosquito bite me now, or something bite me now, and it itching, that,
It's applying the gel on your skin.
well, look at that. Big up Cetaphil. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So my name is Leah. I manage the over-the-counter drugs at Smith Rob. So we have launched a new supplement line called Nubria. It's from the UK. So we have krill oil, which is omega-3. We also have Nubria Charge, which is for energy. We have Nubria Sleep, which is supposed to help you sleep. We also have something for focus, memory, and mood. So the only difference with our line compared to other supplements is that we are completely mineral, vitamin, and plant-based. So vitamin B's, ashwagandha, magnesium, stuff like that is within our products. It's all natural and it's healthy.
Okay, so my name is Shay and I'm currently sampling Halabarange. This is the sugar-free multivitamin syrup. It contains vitamins A, B, C, D, and E. 3 different types of vitamin B actually. So vitamin B1, B2, and B6. And all of these things can help boost your health. It can help with collagen development. So then it would be for your hair, your skin, your nails. It's just for overall wellness.
I'm Whitney and I'm representing AP Scott. Here we have our different types of monitors. We have our glucose, our cholesterol monitor, our uric acid, and our ketone. We also have them at all leading pharmacies like Superfarm, Pennywise. It's also available at any GNC outlet, and we are also doing testing today at To The Front.
Boost is a balanced nutritional drink, right? It has 10 grams of protein in the original one, and it also has 27 essential vitamins and minerals.
From Lakis, we have our Cetamol brand. Today we're sampling cold and flu. We have about nighttime, so this is that red packet here, and the green packet, which is daytime. So both of them contain relatively the same ingredients. They contains cough suppressant, analgesic, which is pain relief, and pseudoephedrine, which helps, it all helps with the cold and flu.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Ryan Mohammed, the Clinical Director for Healing Hands Health Services. Healing Hands Health Services, it's a private health center per se. What we have today is the Neurobian Fort. We are very big on diabetics and making people aware of diabetes. So the Neurobian Fort, it helps with the nerves. So sometimes the diabetes, they have no feeling in the feet, whatever. This helps with that. We are also given the Diascan machines today, which is the code-free, and the Medisign. We are actually giving these machines free for anyone who is a diabetic and does not have a machine, or if you have a machine and it's outdated, you could come here at Healing Hands booth where we were going to give you the machine free, of course.
And we are just here today to speak a little bit about diet and exercise. A lot of persons in the Caribbean and in Trinidad especially are living with a lot of chronic diseases, and we are here to teach you about how you should better your life via nutrition. So it's not just always about medication, but we want to combine a holistic approach. Medication, your exercise, and diet. And we are also doing BIA analysis today. So it measures your body fat percentage, your muscle mass, your visceral fat. It tells you your body age. It tells you your RMR, which is really your resting metabolic rates. So things like hydration and metal affects the results. So Davey, you could come on after and get your results. Let's see your body fat percentage, right?
Good day, everyone. So on this side, we're testing blood pressure using our very accurate, very sound, reliable Omron machine. This is one of the products that Lakis carries. And we also carry the one-touch blood glucose machine. Again, sound, reliable, very accurate machines.
So this afternoon we are doing free visual screening. This is where we check your distance vision as well as your near vision.
We will also be checking to see if your spectacles, if you're wearing any, is still working correctly. And if not, you're welcome to book an eye test with us.
We're just offering the basic vital signs today, and what our team is doing is screening personnel, right? So based on the screening, they are highly trained in screening, so you can tell you, okay, you need to come in to see a GP. We have a GP office, right? It's always a GP there because we offer a wide range of all the diagnostic tests. Surgical center, meaning we offer all the surgeries and the latest technology: eye surgery, LASIK, arthroscopies, urology, gynae, plastic surgeries. We have it all. So after our GP sees our patients and they determine, okay, yes, you can get a referral based on after consultation, we refer them to the surgeries. So that's why it's a surgical center. We're doing the basic vital signs, but also in our hospital, we tailor all our testing. So you see the packages here, right? So this is one of our basic health packages, right? But when the patient comes in, if it is blood tests, CBC, kidney function, liver function, cholesterol, blood levels. The additional tests is like chest x-ray, ECG, urine, blood pressure, body mass index, pap smears, or prostate. But what we tend to do, so if you come in as a patient, you might have had a chest x-ray already done. We tailor to suit the patient. So you don't have like a package specific like for everybody in general. This is just like a general thing. But based on your needs, we tailor it. And that's what makes us stand out from the rest.
My name is Takila. I represent Live at Gourmet. We sell you juice. It is a naturally made juice, no added sugar. And the ingredients that we use, all natural. So it doesn't raise anyone who has diabetes glycemic index, so it's absolutely safe for them to have. If you have children and they are naturally hyper, so you could give them this juice instead of all the sugary juices on the market. Potentially, if you drink the juice over a period of time, it can eliminate you having to take a vitamin here and a vitamin there and a vitamin there, because you get all in one shot.
My name is Kisha, representing with Crepes from Bermudas. So we have two samples. We have the garden herb as well as we have the wheat gerb. It's more on the healthier size of crackers. So it's made with wheat, 100% wheat, instead of the normal white flour. And as you rightfully said that, in nighttime, buy a little stand, you have a little wheat crepes, or in the morning or in your bag on your way to work. It's a healthier way of snacking.
Right. So, of course, when we think of healthcare, we think of our physical body, we think of teeth, we think of all these things, but we tend to bypass our skin a lot. So we have a cosmetic and a medical clinic where we deal with cosmetic and medical grade skincare, as well as medical services and dentistry services as well. But today we are promoting more of the skincare aspect of things, because I think it's very important for us, because we're in a Caribbean climate, to start to take care of our skin. I definitely want to educate the public a lot on their skincare regimes, on how to take care of your skin, because it is the largest organ in your body. It's so important to us, and it definitely is something that is resilient and needs to be taken care of.
Essentially, we are practicing holistic medicine. So we talking about your diet, your exercise, as well as what medications are needed for you, if at all any. And essentially we need to make sure that everyone has a tailored approach, because everyone is different, and we have to understand that there are differences between genders, as well as ethnicities, as well as age, and even different diseases. We have to know how to treat them. So that is what we are doing here. We are offering the consultations. So all patients who go and, get their lipid profiles done, those who get their ECGs, the blood pressures, they come to us and we say, okay, this is the next step. Are you doing X, Y, and Z? And we have to make sure that everyone is living their best life and in their best self too.
Are you looking
looking for a customizable studio space with green and white screen cyclorama and professional production equipment to carry out your next big project, SGP Studios is the perfect fit for you. TNT's largest studio space with an overhead lighting grid and sound treated, perfect for television commercials, music videos, television programs, social media content, and film productions. We also have a wide range of production equipment available for rental. You can choose from a selection of Netflix approved cameras, modern lighting equipment, professional audio gear, 40-foot and 20-foot cranes, gimbals, drones, lenses, action cameras, and more, all at competitive prices. Whether you need a high-end cinema camera for a feature film shoot, specialized lighting equipment for a music video, or audio gear for a podcast, we've got you covered. And with our easy online booking system, you can reserve the gear you need in just a few clicks. Check us out online at sgpstudios.com.
The best for your baby is at thebesttoys.com. From the best strollers, car seats, baby carriers, high chairs, booster seats, rockers, jumpers and bouncers, walkers, baby blankets, feeding accessories, bathtubs, gyms and playmats, playpens, cribs, baby swings, changing tables, diaper bags, clothing and accessories, and the widest range of educational toys. We carry Infantino, Dr. Brown, Avent, Graco, Chico, Fisher-Price, VTech, Leapfrog, Disney Baby, Delta Children, Medela, and Twist Shape. Visit us in-store at Forces Flagship McBean. Shop online now at dbesttoys.com. No credit card required. Free delivery throughout Trinidad and Tobago on orders over $300. Cash or links on delivery. Order via call or WhatsApp at 332-BABY. And remember, we have the best toys at the best prices.
I'm Nandini Samuel, a registered dietitian, and today we will be discussing how diet plays an important role in the management of BPH or benign prostate hyperplasia. Some important dietary tips would include having a diet low in fat, caffeine and alcohol, and increasing your intake of lean sources of protein such as fish, chicken breast, soya or tofu, legumes, fruits and vegetables. Research is also showing that vitamin D and zinc intake can help to alleviate symptoms. Moderate exercise is also advised at least 4 to 6 times per week once given the okay by your doctor, and supplementations may not be necessary if you are following a well-balanced diet. Today we will be preparing a recipe rich in vitamin D and zinc, a healthy vegetable tofu scramble. So here we have some whole wheat bread, tofu, chopped tomato, chopped sweet peppers, onions, olive oil, and salt. So firstly, we want to add at least 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then we are going to add some chopped onions. And of course, we want to saute our aromatics properly. And then what I love to do is add Italian seasoning and paprika to give some more flavor. So we're going to sprinkle some Italian seasoning and some paprika. And again, we would saute. After, we are adding in some sweet peppers just to soften it a bit. And we want to do this for at least 1 to 2 minutes on low to medium heat. Then we are going to add in some tofu. So the tofu is a lean source of protein, and according to research, lean protein is the best for persons with BPH as part of a healthy Mediterranean diet. We're mixing this well together until evenly combined. Then lastly, I want to add some chopped tomato, followed by some turmeric powder just to get that yellow color. So it can be similar as that of eggs. Salt is optional, however, in the Caribbean we have a lot of fresh seasonings, so you can choose to add fresh seasonings instead. You can serve with rice, brown basmati rice, or even your bread. And there we have it, guys, a healthy tofu scramble. And I cannot wait to try this. This is amazing, guys. So it's easy and simple as that.
Prevention is key. While it's not possible to completely prevent BPH, there are lifestyle modifications and habits that may help reduce the risk or delay the onset of symptoms.
A big thank you to our guests and their valuable insights. Join us next time as we continue exploring the world of health. Take care of you for us.
The Doctor's Journal, brought to you by Cetaphil, the Air Institute, St. Augustine Surgical Center, The Best Toys, and Jameson.